Hey, what's going on, you guys? Welcome back to your channel. Ahead of time, I want to apologize if you notice a bit of frustration in my voice, because right now that is exactly how I'm feeling due to several unresolved issues that I am encountering at this time with YouTube. Now, I know they're probably working on fixing the issue, and I also know that I probably just need to be patient, but the waiting game still feels irritating. I'm sure you probably grasped from the title of this video one of the issues that I'm having, which is that I cannot subscribe to any channels, none at all. And one good example is this cool channel that I want to subscribe to, Nichii's, and as you can see, it loads once I press the subscribe button, and it gives me error subscribing to channel. And here I am looking for another example to show you guys. MC Smith is another channel that I'm interested in subscribing to. And as you can see, it loads and it gives error subscribing to channel. Now, if you guys know the reason why I'm experiencing this problem, and or if you're experiencing it as well, please feel free to leave me some suggestion or comments in the comment section. One of my go-to channel, which is the channel of Pamela J, and just the other day I was watching a video of hers and I was subscribed to her, but suddenly now I'm not subscribed, and you can see that I try to subscribe back, it gives the usual message. So Pamela J, once the issue get resolved, I'll be sure to subscribe back. On that note, you guys, please go and support Pamela J. She is awesome and she has a beautiful, amazing voice. What you're seeing right now is one of the several feedbacks I've extended to YouTube, but I haven't yet received any response. Based on my research, I noticed that there are other YouTubers experiencing the same issue. According to them, they said there is a cap limit of subscribers you can have, but if you wait 24 hours, it should be resolved. And right now, you can see another issue I'm having, which is with my watch time. You can see that it's 21:38, it used to be, and now it's as low as 7:28. Sweet. One more issue that I want to go over with you guys is with dealing with notification. I noticed that I haven't been receiving notifications from my supporters, but when I go to their channel, I noticed that the bell that I used to have on is no longer on. And here I have one of the loveliest channels that I like to go to, one of my favorites. And this is a superlative channel that I enjoy a lot. And when I miss her fabulous DIYs, I get moody. And that's not good. She is awesome, you guys. And she leaves sweet comments under your videos. I love her personality. That was the lovely Petal Bless. She wrote, "Looks lovely, my dear. Where did you get the stickers you placed on the top of the mirror?" If you want to find out what sticker Petal Bless is referring to, make sure to go and watch this video DIY blinged out floor mirror that I did a while back. Go and watch it. Okay, speaking about sweet, Angela Marie, you guys, her persona is super, super sweet. Trust me. And when you go to her channel, she'll sing to you. She is very friendly and her voice is also beautiful. Here is another great channel that my notifications is not working on. And because of that, I'm missing out on awesome videos that he posts sometimes. But shout out to you, Steve. This particular channel is so fabulous, you guys. Please make sure you check her out. She is great, and I'm sure you will like her too. This shout out session is mostly dedicated to the people that have interacted with me under the comment section of this DIY blinged out mirror of mine, but I appreciate every single one of my subscribers. You guys mean a lot. So as you're seeing on the screen is this other awesome channel, Just Key. I love attending her lives. When I attend her lives, the mood changes to positivity. Trust me, she'll keep you on your toes. This next shout out goes to Mariah Jasmine. Tell me you don't notice how happy her personality is through the thumbnails. She's very laid back and I love her. Mariah Jasmine. Here I have the adventurous channel of Bryant'Outdoor Adventure that I would love to subscribe to, but unfortunately I can't. It gives the usual message of error subscribing to channel. But shout out to you. Next channel that you will see me actually go back to my DIY blinged out mirror comment section so I can continue to give shout out to all these awesome people that left me so many nice messages in the comment section. So next channel that I will pull up is the channel of Monique Beauty channel. Her channel is my snazzy, fashionable channel. She has a variety of great videos from hair growth challenges and so much more. This channel that you quickly saw here is a terrific one because every single video emulates such great quality. And who said big channels don't show support? Well, obviously this one does. That was the Dazzling design by Denise. This channel that you're currently seeing here is yet another channel with great quality videos, Goddess Side Ta. And right here I have my oh so cool Cuprii channel. Obviously that's not the name of his channel, but to me, he's oh so cool. And next I have the At Penny's Place channel. You guys please check At Penny's Place. She has videos of prayers for our leaders, which is so inspiring and uplifting. So please check At Penny's Place. This next shout out goes to Recipe Lounge, just because. And of course, my next favorite channel, it's Juana Woo. Shout out to you. And you guys, please, please, please make sure you check it's Juana Woo's channel and make sure you attend her live because the best part is she cooks in her lives. And I'm sure you'll be drooling. And last live that I attended, I think she was making a seafood boil and it looked delicious. And I'm sure it was too. And of course, I don't want to forget my beautiful Blackrose. Blackrose, shout out to you. And I thank you so, so very much for your continuous support. You are awesome. So check out Blackrose. And next channel is another favorite. I have a lot of favorite guys. Is the Lady Nicole 3. I absolutely love her bond with her kids and their videos are always so much fun. So I'm sure there's never a dull moment in their house. This next channel, of course, with my beautiful Haitian accent, I like to call it my Cheri Stealer Girl. She is great. And this is still Cheri's Still a Girl's channel. And next I have Love Nia. Love Nia, you guys, is an extremely good channel. Check her out. You won't waste your time. Believe me. J, and shout out to Kero from the comment section as well. And I think that's about it, you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video. If you know how I can fix the issues that I stated at the beginning, please feel free to advise. And with that being said, I guess this is not goodbye, but I see you later, darlings. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for being here. If you're not subscribed, please do.